Do you want to reduce the size of a large image to less than 100 kilobytes for free, without logging in or downloading any apps? I'll show you how. It's super easy and takes just a few steps. My image is 4.71 MB. I want to use this image in an email signature, but some email clients won't display images larger than 100 kilobytes, so I want to reduce its size to 100 KB. By the way, if you're interested in creating an email signature like mine, click on the I button to watch the full tutorial. So now to convert the image to 100 KB, I will use a website called Jpeg Optimizer. The link to this website is given in the description below. This site supports both PNG and JPEG images. So now we will click on the JPEG to 100 kilobytes option given on the right side. Now place the image there and then click on the Compress to 100 KB button so that the image will be within 100 KB. If your image is large, it may take a few moments to process. Once compressed, click on the Download button and the image will be saved in the gallery. If you want to know how to upload an image to the server for free and load it the fastest, you can watch the video given on this screen.